Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hello. Today let's learn about a function which can count our cells containing numbers. It will not count any cell if it contains anything apart from numbers. We will use three data set to understand this formula. We will perform using two methods. This is not my preference as it involves manual selection of cells. Formula is equal to then count bracket open and we will select cell 1 put comma cell 2 and so on till last cell. In large data set, this is quite hard to do. Our formula is ready but it looks quite big to do a small calculation. Let's learn the easy way. Equal to then count with bracket open and select the data range and bracket close. Method 1 formula looks quite big than method 2 but they both will do the job. Let's see this in action. Equal to type count, bracket open then select each cell with comma afterwards and close the bracket and enter. We have 8 numbers in our data and what it ignored is the alphabet AA. Now, the other method. Equal to count bracket open select the data range and bracket close and enter. Result is same. Now, let's see few more examples. Let's use method 1 for this data. We will use equal to type count, bracket open then select each cell with comma afterwards and close the bracket and enter. Let's see if it will count the empty cells or not. And errors as well. Our result is 6. These are the cells which count function didn't considered. Let me just highlight those cells for you. Wait, I forgot to highlight the blank cell. Now, let's use the method 2. Equal to count then bracket open and we'll select the data range and bracket close. Let me highlight those cells which it didn't considered. There you go. Count function is done. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.